But Attorney, I want to discuss that, those 2 points that you just mentioned a while ago. That Attorney Poa basically was saying, sabi nga niya, ayaw na nga niyang sabihin, pero kailangan na ring mapunta doon, that in 2014, there was another vice president who received confidential funds. Now, this needs a little bit more fact-checking and research. However, when I spoke to former Commissioner Heidi Mendoza yesterday, I actually asked her that question kasi they were highlighting in yesterday's testimony of Attorney Wamil na kaisa-isa, only the Vice President, Sara Duterte, received confidential funds from the time he was the State Auditor of the Intelligence and Confidential Audit Department from 2014 to 2024. Pero malinaw naman po na sinabi nitong si Attorney Wamil na nung tenure po niya, si Vice President Sara Duterte lang ang kanyang inaudit. Hindi ho ba?
Tama.
Sa confidential funds. Ang sabi po ni former Commissioner Heidi Mendoza, nakatanggap daw si Vice President Binay noong panahon na yon, which was 2014. Dalawa ho yung tanong ko dyan. Una, issue ho ba talaga dito sa impeachment trial kung nakatanggap o hindi nakatanggap ang isang vice-presidente?
Okay.
Dahil it was legal to begin with. I mean, to some people, she shouldn't have because she's not an agency. She doesn't hold the position of an agency that does confidential intelligence measures. Isa ho yan eh. Bakit ho ba nagiging issue yan kung nakatanggap ang isang vice president? Illegal, hindi naman po kasi illegal yon, hindi ho ba?
Tama. Kung sinabi rin naman nila yan, per se na makatanggap ka, hindi. For as long as you disburse or utilize those funds in accordance with the joint circular.
Right.
Di ba? Meron doon mga nilalagay na hindi mo pwedeng paggamitan. Hindi mo yan pwedeng paggamitan sa pag-araw-araw na regular operations of the entity. You cannot use that for purchase of transportation of vehicles. You cannot use that for infrastructure. You can use that for other operational needs. Maliwanag yun doon. Ngayon, kung gagamitin mo yan, for example, national security issue and peace and order matter, yes, di ba? Pwede yun. Kaya lang, ang burden nga ay pakita nila na yung mga paggamit na yon, the disbursements are in accordance with the joint circular.
Okay.
Pag napatunayan nila yan sa bahagi nila, di maaaring makumbinsan tao. Kasi ngayon, ang binawagayway, if I may use our language, no, sa salita natin, ang binawagayway ay wala kayong dokumento. Kung meron man kayong dokumento ay kulang. Meron nga kayong mga ginamitan na walang accomplishment report at sinasabi that if these are confidential, even if these are confidential funds, pursuant to the 2015 circular, meron na kayong obligasyon na hindi excessive, unnecessary, extravagant ang paggamit nito.
At kailangan mag-comply dun sa Joint
Yes,
Circular 2015.
tama.
But Attorney,
Tama po.
I just